Hey James. Have you got any plans this afternoon?
Not really. I will go to bed early because I have to wake up around 7.
What will you be doing so early in the morning?
I will be jogging around the park. I have gained some weight and I need to get rid of it.
What will you be doing?
I will be jogging.
We use the future continuous to talk about continuous events that we expect to happen in the future.
What about Mary's party?
What about it?
Will you be coming with us?
What time will you get there?
Will you be coming with us?
We use the future continuous to ask politely for information about the future.
We want to surprise her, so we will get there around 10.
What a pity. From 9 to 10 I will be driving back home. From 9 to 10 I will be driving back home.
We use the future continuous to talk about something that will be in progress at or around a specific time in the future.
I'll probably be a bit late.
Doesn't matter. Come as soon as you can. I'll see you there.
Bye bye.